Kelowna right now, burning on fire. That's Traders Cove right in there. All the houses in Traders Cove are gone. Runs all the way down the lake. We've got these idiots over here sightseeing, clogging up our road. If the fire jumps over the lake, then...
It is an extraordinarily serious situation. I have to highlight as well, though, that even as we're seeing those terrible images, we're also seeing images of how Canadians across the country, but particularly out west, are stepping up to help their fellow citizens, their neighbors, residents who are fleeing for their lives, in many cases have lost everything. These are things where emergencies happen and Canadians pull together, and it's always comforting to see. The federal government is continuing to step up.